Hi everyone, I'm Slaya, and today I'm going to show you how to download embedded PDFs from websites. If you're ready, let's get started. First, open the website where the PDF file is embedded and press F12. You can also open the Developer Tools page by right-clicking anywhere on the page and selecting Inspect. From the Developer Tools page that opens, find and open the Network tab. After opening the Network tab, press Ctrl and R to refresh the page. Then, type PDF in the Filter section to filter the PDF files you're looking for. Right-click on the PDF file you're looking for from the list here and select Open in New tab. Now all you have to do is click the download icon in the upper right corner. As you can see, we successfully downloaded a PDF file embedded in a website to our computer. I hope my How to Download Embedded PDF from Website tutorial video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day.